Sige nga last. Kayo mag... Okay. Hindi may iwan. Saya na to. Kali mga kanta, giganin ito ang unang mixtape. Entitled Opinions. 2019 pa na ako na-release. Check na ninyo, nari ang Mr. Mistah sa mixtape. Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, like a Mr. I don't give a damn if you're a Mister. If you fuck shit up, then I'ma diss your sister. If you fuck up, get in the list, just get some. Little bitty stream with a gleam and never. Instead it's a belief with a mean perception. But some motherfuckers spend an offer and just holler when you had the jaws dropped like a Mr. Just finish your set, there's some parties in the news. I let them shoot, but I will never let them use me. See, I was hoping the rumors better than the bigger news, which is the truth. Legend is who make them use me. How did I get here? Was it news? When tears a bit too? Is it past 10 years? Couple days passing by and just met a lot of them. Thankfully all the guys obey me, not out of 10. Who was the range of the man, and the page of the dance, and the stage to the hands, and been there to back when the game was relaxed, and I came minutes, then I trained it perhaps, entertaining with jams, and now I have to maintain this thing in the fridge of my brains, and then the lick of famous, it's just a game of the state of a whatever, but I'm out clever, and I got better, and I'm all the shepherds, yeah, I'm better. I met some lads and folks, some which I haven't spoke, better this bag and no, no one glad it won't, cause see I'm bad and folk, let it pride and dope, fucking rap's a joke, I'm a laughing note, I was pissed and urged to pull a diss and dirt, how could you be the words, you know she didn't hurt, how could you be the words, it not get even heard, then that's the shit reverbed, you just needs rehearsed. In the city, in the town, put your hands down, I was ready to be picking up my hands. Get your lemon, put your window fucking down. I'm the man now. In the city, in the town, put your hands down. I was ready to be picking up my hands. Get your lemon, put your window fucking damn ground.
Sometimes I wonder what is wrong with my sound. Then I heard the others
Get nothing to worry about.
Sometimes I wonder what is wrong with my sound. Then I heard the others Get nothing to worry about.
Bisang pila kasimana o gagi ang pagdekada ang kainit na libara sa may kinis pag ginawa ni makinis kim tanawa niya ang hiki kong katawa niya sili ihog ko tawa ako kendilig ko ang isip mabida ara labi sa kiyak kaya napiling ihirapan na balay ka maghirapan na may mga bugo pa sa bugo di ba bugo di pasugod yung matutlo pa sa guro to sa gusto ng matulong walang patay alam ang sablay ganahan na makisabi walang magaling kalapay sa mga kahimang away mga patrit kay pagpatay ni Dre amo atlet sinagod na na-split isunugan isumsuma niya ang grupo itong ang split makatog na lang sa G maabot na lang sa street nasayot na yun sa pool pa dyan makatama ang shit sila ay. Yeah, ako si Mistah Lefty. Salamat sa PSK sa pag-invite no. Hinaot na lingaraw mong tanan sa battles, performances. Tarang niyari, shoutout ni Brother Sean. Napulo dumudungan nga mga projects next year. Yes, sir! Check.
Yeah, bye, Mistah Lefty. Siyempre, bye, Sean, para sa Kalunasan.